Hey guys, Jangro here. Today is the Minecraft 1.21 launch, and I thought I'd address an important issue that we all face. Minecraft can get lonely. Today we're tackling that loneliness by diving into 6 ways to play Minecraft with friends, whether that's the new Tricky Trials update or other versions, vanilla or modded. There's sure to be one that works for your time, budget, and technical expertise. Okay. Come back here. Let's get started. First up is Realms right here in the main menu. We can just add a realm, get a trial, open it in a browser, and here we are. We just click Try Java Realms. $7.99 a month after a 30-day trial. You need to go through the subscription process. Then we just come back into Minecraft, go into Realms, and your realm is right here. You configure, set it up, but you'll quickly get here where you have a realm. You can invite players, manage up to 3 worlds and swap in between them, even play pretty cool mini games with your friends. Want to do modded Minecraft, have more control over your server, there are better options. Which brings us to the second way to play Minecraft with your friends, which is a Minecraft server hosting provider. In fact, this video is brought to you by Apex Hosting, and we're going to take a look at Apex while I walk through the entire setup process for you right here in this video. Apex offers Java and Bedrock servers, great performance, great hardware, lots of features, excellent support. And in fact, for this launch day of the Tricky Trials update, there's a 30% off discount. Use the Tricky Trials code at checkout. If you want to sign up for hosting, check out my link, jangro.com/apex. There's always a discount right up at the top of this page. No matter what host you choose, the process is going to be similar. So we come to the home page, click the Get Started button, select Minecraft. I'm going to set up a 4 GB server right now. So right here on this page, 121 is chosen by default, but you can choose any kind of server you want. Paper, Spigot, Purper, Forge, Fabric, and then any kind of mod pack. They've got all of the First Forge, Feed the Beast, lots of mod packs available. We're just going to do 1.21 to celebrate the Tricky Trials update. Choose a server location. I'm going to pick Dallas, Texas. Do not check the dedicated IP. You don't need it. You can also get some premium support, plugin installation, mod pack creation. You don't need any of those things either. We can handle this ourselves. Click continue. You can see the discount is already applied. New 4 GB server. Right from here, I'm going to hit checkout, but I don't want you to see my personal information. So I will see you on the other side of the checkout page. This is the control panel dashboard, but I'm just going to click the go to my server button. All right, simple as that. Here we are in the control panel. My server is running. It's all ready to go. So all I need to do is grab this subdomain, go into Minecraft and add it to a server. You can change the subdomain to anything you want to. I'm just going to change it to Jangro. Lots of things you can do while we're in here before we head over to Minecraft and check this out. You can just quickly switch your server at any time. So if you want to switch over to modded Minecraft, say we wanted to play Prominence, switch right over to any mod pack that's available on the major mod pack servers. But we're going to play the new Tricky Trials update. So we're just going to copy our subdomain, which we can also share with our friends. Let's head over to Minecraft. Just head into multiplayer, add a server, drop the server address in here. Here we go. Our server's ready to go. Not the best spawn in the world. You know what? Let's change our world. Heading back into the control panel, give it a new name, hit restart. Just takes a couple minutes to restart. You can watch the console as we do. That's it. It's up and running. While we're in here, you can also manage backups, issue server commands, manage users, all kinds of stuff you have control over. Heading back in, let's see if we did any better. This is a better spawn. And that's it. That was maybe a 5-minute setup. Having your server hosted on a Minecraft hosting provider is my preferred way to do it. Always available, just like Realms, but you can play any kind of mod pack. I'm a software developer, a systems admin. I know how to set up my own servers, as we'll see in a minute. And this is still my preferred way to manage a Minecraft server. All right, the next way to play Minecraft on a server with your friends is to go find a public server somebody else is managing. Here's an example of a site. There's all kinds of sites that have Minecraft servers listed, subreddits, discords. Just go hunting around. But let's just grab one right here. This is a new Trails and Tales server. Let's copy the IP, go into multiplayer, add a server, change the name. Oh, they're using a pre-release. This might not work. It is working. Here we are. There are a couple people in here. You just don't know what you're going to get in one of these servers. You have no control. There's other players. You might get griefed. The world might go away. The next way to play Minecraft with your friends is by using self-hosting. This is actually 3 ways to do self-hosting. So instead of 6, this is kind of 8. First one is open to LAN. You just open up a world in single player. And then you just open the game menu, click open to LAN, switch the game mode and whether cheats are on, and then you just click start LAN world. Now, your friends that you're playing with have to be in the same network that you're on. They just open up multiplayer and this should show up. If they don't show up, just check firewall settings, make sure the firewall's open, and you should be good to go. And you have to be in the game for your friends to be able to play in your world. All right, the next option is the most powerful free option, but also the most complicated. I'm going to go through this setup really fast. If you want to follow along, there's a blog post in the description that walks through this entire thing that I'm doing right now, step by step, including links to this page right here, where we download the Minecraft server jar. Here's the 1.21 jar, goes to my downloads folder. Then I'm going to make a folder on my desktop. We'll just call this Minecraft server. And then I'm going to just open up my downloads folder and copy this server.jar file into my Minecraft server folder. Here it is right here. And back on this web page is a command to run the server. So just copy that. So now the rest of this we want to do in a command window. An easy way is to right click on the folder and open in terminal. You can see that our server.jar is here. And now we can just paste this command and we need to rename this to be the same name as the file. And then hit enter to run it. Before we do that, I just canceled that out. Let's type Java as version just to make sure that we have Java at all. If you don't have Java, we need to install it. If you have an older version, this might not work and you'll need to install an update to it. I have version 21, which is the very latest one. I like to use this AddOptium. You just go to addoptium.net, download the latest and just install that. Okay, so now we run this Java command that we copied from the Minecraft page and hit enter. It's going to fail at the end right here. Failed to load eula.txt. That's because we need to accept the end user license agreement. We go into this page right here, into this folder, the server folder that we created. You can see that there's a eula.txt file. Just double click on that, edit this to agree to the end user license agreement. If you do, of course, save it, close out that window. We can run it again. Now we can just run that command again from the command line. However, let's set up a little bit better automation. Get a new text file. We're going to rename this file to start.bat. If you don't see extensions on here, the view options allow you to show file name extensions. You just need to turn that option on. Now, but it's asking me if I want to change the extension. Just click yes to that. And now we've got the start.bat. Let's edit this. We need to edit with Notepad. You can't double click it because a batch file will run automatically. We're going to paste this command right in here like this. And we're going to type pause at the end. That just allows you to hit a key to close the window after you exit the program. Save that. Now this no GUI, we can remove this because we want to see what's happening. You'll see in a second what that's about. And now we can just double click start.bat. New window will open up. Then it's going to open this GUI window. If you left no GUI in that batch file on the command line, this window would not show up and everything would just run right in here. So our world is running. We're done. Amazing. All right, loading up Minecraft again. This is a multiplayer world. We add a new server. This is going to be localhost, which is my computer's IP address as far as my computer is concerned. If someone else is connecting to this from within the LAN, you can give them the private IP address. Yep, it's running. All right, now this is running in a server on my computer, not in Open2LAN. So this is a cool spawn. So this is going to keep running even if I quit the game. If you want friends outside of your LAN to be able to connect to the server, you need to open up the Minecraft ports. That's all detailed in that blog post I was telling you about. Router to forward the 25565 port, I think, which is the default Minecraft port. Forward that port in your router and then give your public IP address to your friends. They will be able to connect to your server. Now, the final self-hosting method is to use a third-party server instead of your own internal network computer. I should warn you, exposing an internal computer and exposing your network by opening up your firewall does come with risks. Kind of need to know what you're doing. So I have written a post how to set up a free vanilla Minecraft server using the Oracle Cloud free tier, absolutely free, powerful Minecraft server. I go through the entire process in this blog post, but I put everything step by step. The benefit here is that it's running on another server, not your own server. It's always on, much more secure and much safer. Check out that blog post. There'll be a link in the description. The fifth way to play Minecraft with your friends is to use this mod called the Essential mod. It is very similar to Open2LAN, although it makes the game that you are in available to anybody in the world through some voodoo magic. It's doing some peer-to-peer networking. I'm not sure how that works, but I don't think you have to open up your firewall or do anything like that. So you just go to CurseForge, find the essential mod. I'll have a link in the description and in the blog post with step-by-step instructions. You just click this install link over here. So you just click host world, and now the menu has invite over here instead of that host button. Invite your friends. But this is a nice, easy option, especially if you're playing a mod pack that has the Essentials mod included in it. Lots of mod packs have that built in. And finally, the sixth option is to use a free hosting provider. This is just a case of you get what you pay for. So we can go to aternos.org, sign up, just create a server like this, choose the version that you want to play, and hit the start button. And it's going to potentially take a long time to start up. This will be interesting because of all the hype around 1.21. It's actually loading up really fast. Wow. And there we go. So the thing about Aternos is that your server does not stay running unless somebody's in it. You can see here there's a counter. I've got 6 minutes for somebody to log in. Bring up Minecraft and go to this server. And here's our server. That was easy. Couple things to know here. We've only got 2.5 gigs of RAM. But yeah, if you get in here and play a lot, you might run out of resources. Eventually, though, you're probably going to want to migrate to another solution. All right, so there's 6 ways, 8 really, to play Minecraft with your friends. Check out the new Minecraft. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this and learned something. Check out the blog post in the description for full details on all the stuff we talked about in this video. If you do want to get a paid server, definitely check out Apex. Use the link django.com/Apex to support the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.